Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo. To remove the background, select the erase color. Then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another shape, remove the background, select the erase color, change the color, adjust the color of shape, select the erase color to make the color red, then change the background color, duplicate the shape, select another shape, change the color, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button down, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.